You know what's wild, man, is if it's a shoe I don't really want that bad, I end up getting a W on it. What's up, C-Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we'll be kick talking.
Yes, we'll be kick talking about the Air Jordan 4 Crimson, also known on the streets as the Red Thunder.
Red Thunder!
That's right. And if it's your first time here with us today, do us a quick favor.
Bring that notifications bell, get that joint ringing so you can get your phone ringing every time we drop a new video.
That's awesome. Please do that for us and hit that subscribe button. It helps our channel grow. All right, so now that that's out of the way, we are again talking about the Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder. That is what everybody else calls it. Nike decided to call it the Crimson as we got closer to the release. And this is a shoe that was pushed back like towards the end of the year a couple of times. You know, just released recently. People have been getting them in hand. I'm sure you've seen a bunch of things related to quality control issues and all those types of things. But the shoe is here. Right? I'm a Jordan 4 fan. It's probably my favorite silhouette. And we're going to just get right into it. Is that cool?
That's cool.
All right. So Jordan 4s, you know, have been really classically doing a lot with their boxes, right? You've got the Lightning box that they did last year. That's the Nigel C pair.
Yeah.
I got the UNC University Blues. You know, you got the Jordan 4, the Union with the Jordan hands outstretched. But the Red Thunder comes with the OG Jordan 4 box.
Isn't it the same thing with this except yellow?
I mean, yeah, but the box is the OG color.
That's how all of them used to look, though.
Right. They started changing them up and getting more creative with them.
I got you.
As of late, right?
But wait a second.
Yes.
Isn't this a red shoe?
Is it a red shoe?
This is a red shoe, right?
Red color in it.
So let's look, for example, at this box.
Yes.
Yellow.
Yellow.
This thing, basically the same, but red. Now look, the Lightning and Thunder are opposites. So let's imagine that I had the yellow Thunder. The Jordan would be yellow, and the rest would be what? Black.
Possibly.
Which is basically the same thing as this, but in red. So,
OG,
is this
man.
special? Is it? This is the OG box.
Yes, this is just the OG box. This Flight logo has always been since it was created.
How do you know
that
they didn't make a special box for the Crimson that just really, that looks exactly like the OG?
Maybe you're right because of the shoe and the way it does mirror.
Exactly.
It's a black shoe with red hits. That's a good point.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, well, let's say this. This box mimics the OG.
Yes.
Is that better?
Outstanding.
All right. Enough about boxes because we don't wear boxes. So we're going to talk about the actual shoe itself.
Yeah.
So before we get into the shoe, I'll just talk real quick about how I was able to cop this shoe. Now, I was late to the party on the Red Thunder because I was like, it's a different kind of red, not the Chicago red. It's more I guess that's why they call it the Crimson. Yeah. So I was like, and then this new buck, I was like, you know, I dragged my feet a little bit on it up until probably the day before the release.
And you somehow got it.
Yeah. Shout out to my Soul Savvy squad, my boys and girls, right? We come together as a community, and my man, Kimfo Kincaid, came through. He was able to get a W on sneakers in my size and gave me the assist. So that was a big up. You know, I just got these back, got these in hand a couple of days ago, so just wanted to bring them out, review them for the channel.
All right.
Cool?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this shoe. Here we go. All right. What you thinking, man? What's happening?
You should have got these for me, bro. These are tough.
You like those?
I love them.
Oh, we love them, guys. I like them too. All right. So again, these are the Red Thunder, right? Now you're talking about a shoe for you. Pull out your Lightning over here so we can have a quick conversation. So Nigel does have the Lightning, right? That came out 2021.
Yeah.
You thought it was time for you to get another pair of 4s.
Why not?
Because you don't necessarily need them multiple pairs of 4s, man, at one time. You think
you talking to me?
Hey, it's different when you're the 15-year-old, right? just having like just multiple pairs of kicks to just
look. Y'all hear this?
You got a lot of heat upstairs, man. You got a lot. He has a lot of heat in his room.
Yes, I do.
And I give him very meticulously picked and very selective. I'll say that I'm very selective with the pairs he gets.
Yeah.
But you did get the Lightning. So
thank you.
The Red Thunder, right? You know the Lightning is the grayish black and yellow. So the Red Thunder is a play off of the Thunder pack that comes with the Lightning, right? Where the Thunder is black and yellow reverse. So the Red Thunder is where all this red crimson is, with the Thunder would be yellow, if that makes sense. But these guys, there were a lot of QC issues, like I mentioned earlier in the video. I saw some really bad pictures.
Like that?
Yeah, a buddy of mine got one, and it was a glue stain right in the forefront of the shoe. I mean, it was huge, and he tried like with a suede eraser, couldn't get it off without like kind of damaging the shoe.
Jeez.
And I think he ended up sending them back. There were people that had all kinds of glue issues around the shoe, and luckily my man checked these out when they came in. These were actually clean.
Yeah, these are tough. You lucked up.
Yeah, no issues at all.
Yeah.
We were making jokes about the QC issues because of like all kinds of stains on the shoe. I was like, man, I guess that's glue. Then we saw ridiculous, but there was a Foot Locker employee that was charged with going in the back and doing some unmentionable things with shoes.
Are you serious?
This came out in the news within the last 2 weeks. No joke.
Bro, you don't even love shoes that much.
So I found the article from when this came out. I was talking about in the news, a Foot Locker employee, nothing against Foot Locker, reportedly recorded himself having sex with and ejaculating in shoes meant to be placed on the showroom floor. So
that is crazy.
Dude, that's disgusting. Something I've never heard of before. So you go to the store and you say, can I get that in a 10? And the guy goes in the back. If he takes too long, you might want to be like, you know what, never mind.
Yup.
I'm going to just go to another store. Yeah, it's disgusting. But that's neither here nor there. My shoes are clean. In and out, right? These are directly from Nike. Clean, no issues. But I'm telling you, I've seen some of the pictures. But back to these guys. Overall, look, Nigel, I know you love them. You like them a lot. What's your overall rating of
I'm giving these ones a 10, bro.
10?
Yes. These are, I don't see any flaw in them at all.
Wow.
It's so perfect, bro. It's like, you know,
clean.
Primary black, secondary red, and there's nothing wrong with it. They're not doing too much or too little, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right. I mean, listen, I love 4s, man. Again, the 4 is probably my favorite Jordan. Nigel loves this shoe, though. Jeez, man, I feel a little bit bad. But I was just not loving them from the outset.
Yeah.
Because, again, the red it's just a different color red, man. It's like not candy painted, like some sparkly red. It's a matte finish.
Yeah.
It's kind of like taffy, right? If you look like some stretchy taffy candy, that's what it kind of looks like. So, yeah, it's not a rich red.
Say what you want.
But either way, I mean, it's a clean pair. Short nubuck on the whole upper. It's like that, kind of like the Black Cat 4s that came out.
Oh, those are crazy.
Yeah, the all black. Black Cats are very, very nice. You got the classic, you know, Jumpman flight logo on the tongue. You got the Jumpman on the back.
Yeah.
And then also, this is different. Right behind the laces, up the side edge here, there's like, you got red on that edge of the black leather. Can you see that? Yeah, right there.
Yeah,
which is cool.
See?
Kind of going right up here.
So tough.
So tough. You love them?
Probably fit in 11, bro. Look at this. Look.
Man,
I don't really see, like, I'll line these up, right?
Put the bottoms together.
Look, I'll do this. See, there's really not that big of a difference.
It's a lot of padding inside. Once you get your foot in there,
but like,
your toes will be in there doing this thing. And you'll know about it.
I'm not about to put your shoes on, okay? So you can stop trying to unconvince me.
I'm sorry, dude.
You good.
All right. Maybe down the road. Maybe a pair in the future. You never know. I'd probably still get a pair of 12s, to be honest.
Outstanding.
Because these did sell out on release, but then I've seen like pairs, you know, all over. A lot of people still selling with a bunch of pairs sitting in locations. So I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
If they're in the cards for Nigel Seed, still remains to be seen. We'll see how that next report card goes. Yeah, how about that? Priorities. Hashtag priorities, kids. So anyway, I don't have a whole lot more to say really about this shoe. Initially, like I said, I didn't love it. It wasn't a must cop for me.
Yeah.
You know, the Jordan year of 21 was huge. Tons of releases, tons of hot stuff. You know, of course, like your Alma Mater ones came out at the end of the year, the patent breads and all of that. So then seeing these, like, and I'm usually like 4s, definite. But then got talked into it a little bit. Like, you know, they're gonna go, they're gonna come and they're gonna go. So one other thing that I didn't love about the shoe was seeing them, like how dusty they are. They are like a dust magnet and just a track.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
I gotta get like a lint brush to kind of keep them clean.
Yeah.
And you know, this new buck again, it's like very short. It's a nice feeling, but I don't know why they come right out the box with like scratches and kind of like an ash to them. But you know, whatever. We'll keep them clean. We'll wipe them down, keep them dust free as much as we can.
Yeah. All right, look, right?
Yeah.
So C Squad, listen up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put these on. I'm gonna try to squeeze in them, right?
Like Cinderella?
Yeah, and if
oh boy,
I'm gonna surprise you with whether it fits on me or not, because you'll see who's wearing them in the on foot that we're about to do right now.
All right, we'll see.